Okay, just keep it straight. A little bit this way. There you go. Straighten out. Perfect. You're clearing. Perfect line. Perfect line. This way. Okay, slow, 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 slow. Don't get excited. Perfect. Yep, yep. Okay, now just keep it straight and come slow off the back. Off the back. Big rock coming down. Coming down. Cleared it. Now coming forward, this is a big rock here, go slow. You're clearing it with your bumper. Perfect, just take it easy. Slow, you cleared your rock slider, perfect. That's good, stay on that left side. Yes. Just go straight, Chandler. No problem. Now you can go more your way. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Oh. That is a fun ride right there. Perfect. Excellent. Nice, Mason. Perfect. Yes. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Perfect. Oh, man. Well, I'm videoing.
I hit my head on it. I killed my truck and hit my head on that rock.
Good job, Dad. Perfect. I know, you're like right in the road.
We're taking the cool route.
Yeah. Now don't run over us. Perfect. This is the fun V.
If Casey spots you, that means I'm going to take you to the dangerous spot. Yeah, I see a rock. I'm going
over. I knew we'd find one somewhere. Look at that. See, that's no lift, and we made some little homemade 3/4 inch bump stops to keep the tires from rubbing. Yes, it has an extra fan that comes on. It sounds like a jet. Yeah. Perfect. Hey.
You gotta be super careful with him.
Do you want to spot him or you want me to?
I think it'll take all of us, honestly.
Yeah.
At least a couple of us.
You can pull up and get out and spot him right here.
He's like, I don't know.
We're coming to spot you. We should be able to get down, no problem. That's good, bud. Yep. If we keep him on that rock on the left there, yeah. Follow that down. Just really slow. Yeah, there you go. And just go slow. You'll be fine.
Easy. Come on.
Come on.
Now you're gonna go down. Now you're going down. Now you're at the bottom.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I think you need
Perfect.
to turn left to the right a little bit. Turn a little right.
Slow, slow.
All right.
You're clearing. You just
Turn driver.
touched your air dam. Now come forward. You're gonna climb. You're just touching the black.
Hold it. Hold that.
He needs to go back up and then get back on that rock.
Put your air down on the front.
It's the little black piece. It's not caught really.
He needs to back up and get that front right.
Yeah, it's barely touching.
If you wanted to, but yeah.
I'll go driver.
I'd
A
go
little bit driver.
driver a little bit.
Yeah.
No, hold it, hold it.
Back up. I think it must be the metal skid plate on the bottom.
That's what it feels like.
Yeah.
Okay. Little more.
You're okay. It's not tearing off.
Little more.
You're okay. You're okay.
Okay. Stop.
Nothing got hurt.
Give him a rock on the.
Get a rock.